The Tesla Model 3 dashcam not working is often due to USB drive issues, incorrect formatting, or settings problems. Let's troubleshoot. The most common causes are an incompatible or improperly formatted USB drive, disabled dashcam settings in the car's menu, or software glitches that sometimes occur after Tesla updates. First, check your USB drive compatibility. It must be USB 3.0 or higher with a minimum 16 gigabytes capacity. Avoid drives with read-only locks or encryption. Second, formatting is crucial. Use exFAT format for your USB drive. On Windows, use Disk Management. On macOS, use Disk Utility. Tesla's system requires exFAT, not FAT32 or NTFS. Third, check your settings. Navigate to Controls, Service, Dashcam on the touchscreen. Make sure it's enabled and configure the recording duration. Fourth, software glitches can occur after updates. Tesla's updates might reset dashcam settings, so check for updates and re-enable the feature if necessary. We'll cover each of these issues in detail and provide solutions to get your dashcam up and running. Your USB drive is the key to a functioning Tesla dashcam. It needs to be USB 3.0 or higher, with at least 16 gigabytes of storage, though 256 gigabytes is recommended for longer recordings. Older USB 2.0 drives are too slow and may cause intermittent recording or failure to save footage properly. For storage, you need at least 16 gigabytes, but 256 gigabytes is recommended to store more hours of footage without needing to manage space. It's crucial to avoid drives with read-only locks or encryption, as Tesla's system won't be able to write footage to them. Use a high-quality USB drive from a reputable brand for best results. Brands like SanDisk, Samsung, and Lexar are reliable choices. Using a USB that doesn't meet these requirements can lead to the dashcam not being recognized or recording intermittently. Proper formatting is crucial for your Tesla dashcam to function correctly. Tesla's system specifically requires the exFAT file system. Using FAT32 or NTFS formats can lead to errors and data corruption on your recordings. The exFAT file system is designed for large storage devices and provides the compatibility needed for Tesla's dashcam. Unlike FAT32, it handles files over 4 gigabytes without issues. When comparing file systems, FAT32 has size limitations that can corrupt dashcam footage. NTFS may not be properly recognized by Tesla's system. exFAT provides the best compatibility and reliability. To format your USB drive on Windows, use the Disk Management tool. Right-click the drive and select Format, then choose exFAT as the file system. On a Mac, open Disk Utility, select your USB drive, and choose Erase. Set the format to exFAT and complete the process. Once formatted, you can optionally rename the drive to TeslaCam for easy identification. This ensures your Tesla dashcam recognizes and uses the drive correctly. To check your Tesla dashcam settings, start by accessing the vehicle's touchscreen menu. First, tap the Controls icon on the main touchscreen to open the Settings menu. Next, select Safety and Security from the Controls menu, then choose Dashcam to access the specific settings. In the Dashcam settings, ensure the Dashcam option is toggled on to activate recording. You can also enable Save on Honk to record footage when you honk the horn, and Sentry Mode for parking surveillance. The Format USB drive option can be used in this menu, though formatting manually on a computer often provides better reliability. Finally, always double-check these dashcam settings after software updates, as they can sometimes revert to default values. Confirm everything is active to ensure proper recording. If you encounter the USB drive not recognized error on your Tesla Model 3 dashcam, it usually indicates a compatibility or formatting issue with the USB drive. The primary cause is often improper formatting. Reformat your USB drive using exFAT, which Tesla requires for optimal compatibility. If reformatting in exFAT doesn't resolve the issue, try using a completely different USB drive. Ensure it's USB 3.0 or higher with at least 16 gigabytes capacity. Firmware mismatches between your Tesla's software and the USB drive can also trigger this error. Make sure your vehicle's software is fully up to date by checking the Software menu. Power interruptions while recording can corrupt the USB drive, leading to recognition errors. If this happens, safely eject the drive and reformat it in exFAT. In summary, the USB drive not recognized error is commonly caused by improper formatting, but can often be resolved by following these troubleshooting steps. Tesla regularly releases software updates that can impact dashcam functionality. After each update, verify your dashcam settings and check that the USB drive is still recognized. Some updates may introduce temporary bugs that cause recording issues. If problems persist after an update, check Tesla forums for known issues and potential workarounds. Tesla often addresses such bugs quickly with subsequent over-the-air updates. For advanced dashcam management, consider Tesla's premium connectivity subscription at $99 per year. This service includes automatic cloud uploads of your dashcam footage, significantly reducing reliance on physical USB drives and providing secure off-site storage for easy access anytime. Wireless USB alternatives are emerging in the market, providing convenient adapter options for dashcam connectivity. However, wired connections are currently more reliable for ensuring consistent performance and avoiding connection drops during recording. To protect your valuable dashcam footage, regularly back it up to separate storage locations. This prevents data loss in case of USB drive failures, corruption, or other hardware issues, ensuring your recordings remain accessible. For proactive troubleshooting, stay informed about Tesla-specific dashcam issues by monitoring community forums such as Tesla Motors Club or Reddit's r/Tesla Motors. These platforms often provide early warnings and solutions for emerging problems. The future of Tesla dashcams lies in advanced AI integration, where systems will predict potential hazards and begin recording preemptively to capture critical moments. Cloud storage will become increasingly common, allowing automatic uploads of footage and reducing the need for physical USB drives. Higher resolution recording, moving beyond 1080p, will be introduced to stay competitive with other manufacturers. Ultimately, the dashcam will become a seamless, automated part of the Tesla driving experience, potentially integrating with insurance telematics for personalized pricing based on driving behavior. As Tesla continues to innovate, dashcams will evolve into intelligent safety tools that enhance protection and convenience for all drivers.